Do you know that you can build wealth like the rich? Now, in this video, what I'll be showing you will help you to build wealth like the rich. Now, it will surprise you that 80% of the rich make their money from scratch without inheritance. And in this video, we're looking at what they did or what they do, their secret for building wealth from scratch. Now, I was in a conversation with two friends of recent. Now, these two friends, they are well-to-do more than I. They are richer than me, and they are more accomplished than me. And they were talking about the best way to use 1 billion naira. And one said, okay, now if he has 1 billion naira at the moment, that he will use it to buy cars. And the other one said that if he has 1 billion at the moment, that he will use it to buy properties. Okay, so that was the tone of the conversation. So I was listening to what they were saying, and one of them justified that cars, it is easy to sell car and it is easy to recoup your funds. And the other one said that with real estate you can preserve your capital. Now looking at it, the two are making very good sense. But one is talking about the one that want to invest in property, talking about long-term assets. Why the one that want to invest in car is talking about buying car and selling it and making profit. It's talking about a very liquid asset. That means you buy car and you sell it. It's very easy to buy car and sell because the price is always is lower than most time. Is the price for cars are always lower than the price for properties. Okay, now when you look at this conversation, what do you sense? What do you think? How do these people think? Now the rich think about asset. They always think about asset. They always think about opportunities to make money, and that is why in this video I'll share with you the 5 secrets of the rich that the rich use to build wealth on daily basis. The first secret is that they focus on assets and not liabilities. Assets are things that you own that make money for you or that add money to your pocket. According to Robert Kiyosaki, assets are things that add money, that put money into your pocket. While liability, on the other hand, are things that you own that take money out of your pocket. A very good example is you owning a house. You buy a house for the purpose for the purpose of living in the house. Now in living in this house, you have to maintain the house. You have to pay your bills. You have to pay your light bill. You have to pay your water bill and the rest of them. Now you can see that it is taking money out of your pocket. That is a liability. Also, when you own a house and the purpose of owning this house is for business, you are going to use it to make rental income. That means that becomes an asset because it is people pay to stay in that house. That means it is adding money into your pocket or into your account. That is an asset. So now the rich think always on what can I do? What can I put my money into that will generate more money for me? I have $1 million. What is the asset? What is the opportunity that I can put in? What is the vehicle that I can put this money into that will make me 20%, 100%, maybe per annum or whatever it is. Yeah. So, but the focus is that the rich always think about asset. What is that thing that will help me to multiply my income? Now, I want you to reflect, think properly. What can you do today? What can you put money into today that will help you to make more money? Okay. Now, I want you to think very well and write down 5 things that you can put money into, invest into that will yield you more money, that will generate more money. Now, imagine you have like 10 of those assets. You invest in real estate, you invest in stock, you invest in bonds. Now, this are as you invest in Bitcoin, all these are assets. It is very, very important that you think you focus on assets and not liability. So the second secret that the wealthy or the rich use to build their wealth is they leverage multiple streams of income. They leverage multiple streams of income. Now, having a stream of income is important, and it simply means that there is something you are doing. Let's say you are exchanging value for money. You are creating value, and as a result of that, you are making money. Because of as a result of that, you are making money. So it could be working, it could be having a job. You have a full-time job, and at the end of the month, you are paid for the job that you do. So money is coming through that avenue. Or you have a business, you own a business, and you are making salary from that business at the end of the month. Or you have a freelance gig that makes you money on a monthly basis. Okay, yeah, but the focus is that there's something that is making you money on a monthly basis, on a weekly basis. That is a stream of income. But the idea is that you have more than one stream of income. You have one, you have two. After having one, and you have grown in that one, add another one, making it two. After you have grown in that one, add another one, making it three. For instance, you have a full-time job. and you also take freelance gig or side hustle. It could be freelance gig freelancing, and you also have a digital product. For instance, I make income. I earn salary from my business, okay, which is a job. Okay, I make monthly income from there. Now I trade. Okay, I trade the crypto market. Okay, so if you want to start trading the crypto market, kindly check the link in the description section. You will see a link to buy my course on true trade profitable crypto trading. That it will help you to be consistent in making profit from the crypto market. Whether the market is going up or is coming down, there's always a guarantee that you'll find opportunity to make money in trading the crypto market. Okay, so I make money trading the crypto market. I make money from a digital product. So that is three ways that I make money. So your focus will be, how can I create multiple streams of income? Let's take for instance, you are a cybersecurity or you are a cybersecurity professional. You are working as a cybersecurity professional with a company, and the company pays you on a monthly basis. Then as time goes on, have try to apply on platform like Experts, a freelance platform where you can getting gigs. Okay, now check the description section. You see a link to Experts where you can register and you're getting gigs from there. Then now as time goes on, once you have become good, you have honed your skill, then create a digital product. We create um a coaching program, a coaching product, so that we enable you to coach people on cybersecurity and make money by doing that. Is that not awesome? I think it's awesome. All right, so focus on creating streams of income, leverage on streams of income, not just one, but streams of income. Okay, so the third secret that the wealthy use in creating wealth is the wealthy invest in themselves. So what does it mean to invest in yourself? Investing in yourself simply means you focus on personal development. Okay, so that means you do things, you spend time on things that will improve you, that will help you to grow as a person, as an individual. There are two things that will help you to grow as an individual: your content and the container. So the content is what you have inside. This is the knowledge that you have. Are you updating the knowledge? Just like a car needs to be serviced. Now, as an individual, the knowledge you have 10 years ago is not enough. You have to be updating yourself. Now we're talking about AI, artificial intelligence. What do you know about artificial intelligence? Okay, so you have to invest in yourself, and that investment, that it could be you could use books, you can invest in, you can buy books, read, have form a habit of reading books. You could actually take a course, you could decide to pursue a program in a university, okay, or in any other learning institution. But whatever you do, make sure that your knowledge base, you are growing on a knowledge base. It is an investment. Now when you improve yourself, when you invest in yourself, you have actually grown your capacity to earn. You've actually grown your capacity to earn. You've actually increased in value, and that will help you to make more money from your job. Okay, so the second part is your container. Invest in looking good. Now, looking good is very important. So that means make sure invest in the things that will help you to look good, look presentable, and those things that will help you to attract opportunities. That is very, very important. Now, investing in oneself has one of the greatest return on investment. Yeah, because when you are improved, you can command higher price for the service that you provide. So that is important. Now, will you start investing in yourself today? Let me know in the comment section if the answer is yes or the answer is no. Remember, you need to take care of your content and you need to take care of your container. The two are very important. The fourth secret that the rich use in creating wealth is the rich think long term and they are patient. Now, what does it mean? Now, when you look at a wealthy person can be likened to a farmer. Now, what a farmer does is a farmer will plant a seed. Now, that farmer will wait for a long time, like 1 year, most times 1 year for annual crops. But most time, a farmer will wait for 5 years. Sometimes they will wait for 10 years. Now, you can see, if you want to learn patience, learn from farmers. So farmers have developed the habit of being patient. Okay, so they think long term and they are patient. That is how the way they think. The way they think that once they take their money and invest, that money is like a seed. They put it in an investment. Let's say you invest in a stock, in a stock market, you invest in a company like an AI company, you invest in that company, and you allow the investment to stay until 10 years before you exit the investment. What does it mean? Within that period of 10 years, the company have recorded, if the company will succeed, it has recorded the necessary growth element. It has developed, it has grown, and it has multiplied the fund, the money, the capital that you invested into it, and it's giving you back this money in multiples. So just imagine investing $1 million in an AI company, at a forward-taking AI company, of course. Now, in 10 years time, your $1 million should be, up to $100 billion if everything goes well, because AI is the next frontier of technological revolutions. So think long term and think patient. Also, the way they don't invest in quick risk scheme, they don't pursue quick risk scheme. They think that wealth should be grown steady and slowly, and they are focused on the long term and not short term. So they invest in properties, they invest in stock, they invest in bond, and the rest of them. Next secret that the way they use to create wealth is they surround themselves with people of like mind. Okay, not like they say that your network is your network. That is so important. Now, if you want to go very far in life, you have to go with people that are going in the same direction. Just like in that story, I was listening to the conversation that my friends that are more accomplished than I do, than that the conversation they were having. And I was influenced by that their conversation. And now think of more of asset than liabilities. I think of what will I spend money on that will make me more money. Okay, so surround yourself with people of like mind, with people that have high ambitions, with people that will inspire you, with people that will cause you to grow, with people that will cause you not to be complacent, not to stay in your comfort zone. People that will push you to leave your comfort zone and do things that seems impossible. So that is very important. Your network is your network, and how will you form a network, or how will you network with people? Now you have to form a habit of attending conferences, attending meetings, reaching out. This is emotional intelligence skill. Reaching out to people, introducing yourself, exchanging contact, being valuable to people, and with time you have other people that think the same way, and you have a network of people that are going in the same direction like you. Now, if you have somebody that is, let's say you are making $100,000 on a yearly basis, and you have another person that is making $2 million on a yearly basis, as a friend, now that person will inspire you to dream higher, and that person will inspire you to aim higher, and with that, you will do what it takes, what is needed for you to upgrade your earning and achieve and come to a level where where you can make more money, or a level that will help you to reach the level that the person is. So this is important. So here you have it, the five secrets that the rich use in creating wealth, and I think you should start implementing each of them today. Start today. If you want to create wealth, you don't build wealth by starting next year, by starting tomorrow. You start today. Start from where you are. Start with, look at the secret. Which one can you start implementing today? Start it, and you will appreciate yourself in the future. So if you find this content helpful, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, like this video, make comment on this video so that the YouTube algorithm can share it, show it to many people. And also, there's a video here, and this video is about how you can use DeepSeek to 10x your productivity. Now, if you know the power of AI can help you to make more money. Check it out, and you'll find it very valuable.